Alright, YouTube, I just wanted to share with everybody my everyday carry tools that I carry on my belt, on my personal, at all times when I'm at work. And I have discovered that this is one of the best set of tools that you can have on you at work, hands down, not even close. I mean, I can't even begin to tell you how many times these tools have come in handy where you're on the job and your tool bag is like, I don't know, 10-15 feet away. And I have this, just open it up, and between these two tools, they have gotten so many jobs done and have gotten them done well. These aren't tools that just will suffice in a pinch but won't get it done right. These are tools that will get the job done right. So as you can see, made by Knipex. What we have here is their smallish version of their Cobra plier, and then their smallest version of this type of plier that they have. They both operate in the same way, typical Knipex, where you push the button and you just slide it to whatever position you want. Button springs back out, locks into place. Let's see if I can do it with one hand here. But yeah, one thing I like about that is once it's locked in, you have a consistent spot where it opens and closes instead of it flopping all over the place. So let's take a look at these. Like I said, I've had these about a year and a half, and I think I pretty much use them every day on the job. Pretty much every call that I go to, this is it right here. Especially when you're in a pinch, when you're down in a tight spot and you don't feel like getting up and going rooting through your tool bag, you got something right here on your belt. But and then these guys right here, you see the discoloration that came from when I was holding a hot piece. Can't remember what I was doing. I was using a torch and all that, and boy did I get that piece hot. But this is what I held it with, just held the piece and then heated up that part. So let's take a look at the teeth here. Yeah, so far so good. Do have a fair amount of wear on them. I will admit that I've tried to do more with these than what's probably recommended for a tool this size or for teeth that size. But hey, when you got that kind of functionality, there's no job too big. That's kind of how I took it. So anyway, both of these go inside this carrying case right here. You have just the two slots right there. I always keep this one in here, and then the little guy goes on the outside. But then you got your Velcro. Velcro's held up pretty well, actually. The environments that I've been in have not been kind to tools and the things that I carry them in, but it's held up surprisingly well. So anyway, guys, yeah, I just wanted to share those with you. I think they're a really good investment. I understand everybody's job is different and how much you may or may not use them, but you carry this little tool set on your belt, you'll be surprised at how many times you reach for it to get the job done. And I highly recommend it. Now, as far as price, I think it goes like between $80 and $90. You might say that's somewhat expensive, but if you see the big picture and you see how many times you use these, you'll begin to understand that it pays for itself and then some. So all right, guys, there it is. Hope you enjoy. Later.